Good morning, students. In previous class, we completed, that is lesson 2, rain and rivers. Are you writing notes? Now compulsory keep one notes and write down these all important points. And next chapter, that is lesson 3, tanks and groundwater. What is meant by tank? Tank means what? What we call in Telugu? Tanks means చెరువులు. ఏంటమ్మా? చెరువులు. So, in this lesson, we will learn about who were tanks built and how were tanks built and why were tanks built and declining of tanks in our times and how did the tanks helps to us. These all topics we will discuss today. First one, who were tanks built? Who were tanks built? The tanks were built by in olden days our ancestors. Ancestors means our forefathers. They also built tanks. And kings like Vijayanagara and Kakatiya kings, they also built tanks. Why? To irrigate the lands and to cultivate the lands or to store rainwater. And military leaders and nayakas. Nayakas means the head of the soldiers. So these ancestors and kings and military leaders and nayakas, these all people, they built tanks. Why? To irrigate the lands and the cultivation purpose and to store the rainwater. For these all purposes, they built tanks. And next, how are tanks built? For example, in the time of rainy season, here the rainwater flows very fastly. Yes or no? So, here the rainwater flows like a small streams or canals, and finally these all streams join in a large one. Yes or no? So which is known as tank. And our ancestors or kings, they built one strong wall, the four sides of the tank, by using sand, rocks and mud. So this strong wall or the boundary we known as bund or tank bund. What we call tank bund. So this boundary or strong wall, what we call tank bund, which can store rainwater. And next, how were tanks built? Sorry Amma, why were tanks built? Why they built tanks? They built tanks for the controlling the speed of rainwater and to store running rainwater and irrigate the lands. So to cultivate the lands, they are using tank water. So by using tank water, they are cultivating crops. And next, drinking purpose. They built tanks for the drinking purpose also. Here the tanks provide water to the animals and birds and human beings. And next, all people in the village together and maintain the tanks in the villages. For example, in the time of repairing the tank bund and remove silt from the tank bed, they are contributed money for their expenses. For example, repairing the tank bund. For example, in the time of rainy season, due to heavy rains, the tanks will break down the tanks. So at the time also, all people contributed money for their expenses. And remove silt from the tank bed. Silt means what? Silt means fine sand or clay which was carried by the rainwater, and it was finally deposited into the riverbed. What we call this is called riverbed. This fine soil or clay which was carried by the rainwater and finally deposited into the riverbed. Then even a little rain the rivers or tanks will get floods, and who are in the lower areas they are getting floods. So what we can do here, we have to remove this silt from the tank bed. Otherwise, who are living in the lower areas, they are constantly getting floods. And the people of the village, they appointed one person, his name Nerati or Neerukatte Manishi. Why they appointed this person? To maintain the tank or to see the tank carefully. They appointed one person, his name Nerati or Neerukatte Manishi. And next, how did the tanks help to the people? How did the tanks help us? See here, tanks helps us to increase the water levels nearby wells. For example, here there is one well and here there is one tank. If you go to the interior part of the earth, what we can find first? First we can find soil, and after we can find rocks, and after at below 5 meters we can find the groundwater. So yes or no? So in the time of raining, some water stored in tanks. At the time, one rock slowly percolate into the soil and it can join the groundwater. Then automatically the groundwater levels will increase. If there is any well very near to the tank, it can get full of water. Like that, the tanks helps us to increase the water levels nearby wells. Tanks helps us to stop the soil erosion. In the time of raining, the land is cut by the rainwater. So due to heavy rains, break down the lands. So if we build a tank here, the tanks helps us to stop the soil erosion. And next, to cultivate lands. Here the tanks helps us to cultivate the lands. Some of the farmers, they are using tank water to cultivate their lands. So by using tank water, they cultivate different types of fruits and vegetables also. And drought prone areas also cultivate by using tank water. Nowadays, drought prone areas means like Rayalaseema. Rayalaseema has 4 districts. What are they? Kadapa, Kurnool, Chittoor and Anantapur districts. Those 4 districts we call drought prone areas. So in that places also they are cultivating crops by using tank water. And some of the people, they are taken tank silt and use it to their fields. Tank silt, already I said, silt means fine sand or clay which was carried by the rainwater. It is very fertile. So some of the farmers, they are taking tank silt and use it to their fields for fertility. If the land gets fertility, then the crops will grow healthy. So in that place we can cultivate any type of crop. It is suitable for any kind of crop. And declining of tanks in our times. Nowadays the tanks are declining and no tanks in our times. There are no tanks in our times, but in Karamchedu and Swarna we can find some tanks. So no tanks in our times because they are using deeper tuber wells. Some of the farmers using deeper tuber wells or bore wells, means they are getting water by using motors. So to dig a bore well, it is very expensive. Even though it is very expensive, some of the farmers using deeper tuber wells causes scarcity of water resources and also decrease water levels nearby wells. For example, how it is, see here. Here there is one land. Here there are 2 wells and 2 bore wells. Here the well water is drought by the deeper tuber wells by using motors. any wells very nearer to the deeper tuber wells, the well water will decrease. So if we use deeper tuber wells or bore wells, the well water will decrease. And tanks were neglected. Nowadays the tanks were neglected. During 20 or 30 years the tanks were neglected, causes break down the tanks. And because there are no kings nowadays and no repairing, no one is there to repair the tanks, because nowadays the governments are democratic governments, so there are no kings, so no one is there to repair the tank. And some of the people, they are using tank silt to build their houses, and some people they using tank land for their agriculture, for fertility. Already I said